Present simple, past simple, future simple. First form, second form, will, shall plus first form. First form, I play football. I played football. I will play football. Will plus first form. Okay? Dear students, continuous, continuous, continuous. जितने भी 12 के 12 टेंसेस में continuous खाली आएंगे उनके साथ ing form, ing form, ing form, ing form, जिसको present participle भी कहते हैं. Is, am or plus ing form, was, were plus ing form, will be or shall be plus ing form. Examples: I am playing football. I was playing football. I will be playing football. Dear students, जितने भी पूरे 12 के 12 टेंसेस में perfect, perfect, perfect only आएंगे उनके साथ third form, perfect, perfect, perfect. Third form, third form, third form. Okay? Have has plus third form, had plus third form, will have or shall have plus third form. Examples: I have played football. I had played football. I will have played football. Dear students, अभी मैंने बोला था कि जो भी continuous होते हैं उसके साथ ing form, continuous, continuous, continuous. Ing form or present participle, ing form or present participle, ing form or present participle. So auxiliary verbs have been, has been, had been, will have been, or shall have been. Okay? Examples: I have been playing football for 2 months. I had been playing football for 2 months. I will have been playing football for 2 months. Let's make now all 12 examples. I teach you, I taught you, I will teach you. I am teaching you, I was teaching you, I will be teaching you. I have taught you, I had taught you, I will have taught you. I have been teaching you since morning. I had been teaching you since morning. I will have been teaching you since morning. That's it.